Hey guys, it is Cliff with CER3 Premium Auto Detailing. Just thought I'd make a quick video to let you guys know that I am officially back. Yes, I'm back, and I do apologize that I've been gone the last few months. I know I've had a lot of you guys over all the platforms reach out to me with detailing questions, seeing how I've been, wondering where I've been at, and I want to let you know that all is well, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible if I already haven't in regards to any questions you guys have, and also to let you guys know that there's a lot of content to come via every platform: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, blogs, you name it, even our new website. You're going to get a lot of content here in the near future, and the version 2.0 video that a lot of people have asked about is definitely in the works and will be out here soon. I do apologize for the extreme delay. It's just very difficult to film a video in depth by yourself. I'm no camera person, so I'm trying my best to make it as professional, as clean, and as unboring as possible. So if you guys will just bear with me just a little bit longer, you guys will get that video. But until the next video, until the next post, until the next time I talk to any of you guys, I hope you're having a blessed afternoon, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.